AI takes center stage at Sam's Club. But will it transform retail forever? Picture this. Artificial intelligence, once confined to data labs and back offices, is now striding boldly onto the sales floor at Sam's Club. The retail giant, owned by Walmart, has begun arming its frontline managers with advanced AI tools designed to dramatically speed up decision-making and eliminate the mundane, repetitive chores that used to eat up so much of their time. This initiative is not only forward-thinking, it positions Sam's Club at the very forefront of American retailers experimenting with generative AI, right where it matters most, in the hands of the people interacting with both employees and customers every day. Here's where it gets really interesting. Managers aren't just dabbling in AI, they're already seeing huge results. Tasks like analyzing financial data, which used to take hours, now take only minutes. The AI also highlights promising new local suppliers and anticipates seasonal sales surges, helping optimize staffing levels and promotional strategies. And let's not overlook a key benefit for staff on the ground. Millions of monotonous, routine jobs are being handled by technology, freeing up valuable time so employees can focus on what really counts, delivering exceptional service to Sam's Club members. But that's not the whole story. Starting next year, Sam's Club staff will have the chance to boost their tech skills even further through the OpenAI Certification program. This isn't just a techie fad. It's a worldwide effort with the ambitious aim of certifying 10 million Americans in AI by 2030. Anyone ready to future-proof their career can take advantage, gaining critical know-how that could redefine what it means to work in retail. Walmart is leading this change wholeheartedly. U.S. CEO John Furner summed it up best. The future belongs to those who not only understand advanced technology, but know how to use it to reshape the industry. By weaving AI training right into its employee development programs like Walmart Academy, the company is making sure its people can harness the full power of today's most transformative tools. And this is the part most people miss. While the spotlight is on Sam's Club, the entire retail sector is racing to adopt AI in a variety of ways. Giants like Macy's, Target, and Amazon are pouring resources into predictive systems for inventory and supply chain management, aiming to keep shelves stocked while keeping costs in check. Meanwhile, e-commerce platforms are exploring ways that AI can make online shopping smoother, more responsive, and more personal. Consider this. Resolve AI CEO claims their latest tools actually inject empathy and deep product expertise into the online customer experience, all in a bid to tackle one of e-commerce's biggest headaches, an astonishing 70% of shopping carts being abandoned before checkout. All of this sounds revolutionary, but it brings up some big questions. Is this the dawn of a workplace where machines handle all the dull tasks so humans can focus on creativity, service, and problem solving? Or will AI gradually erode traditional roles and make retail jobs less personal? Can technology really deliver empathy and expertise? Or is that just clever marketing? We want to hear your thoughts. Are you excited by the prospect of AI empowering retail workers? Or do you worry about what's being lost in the process? Can AI ever truly replace the human touch on the sales floor or in your online shopping experience? Jump into the comments. Let's start a conversation that goes beyond the headlines.